Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am gonna tell you how you can use the paint feature or how you can do the paint in your MacBook Air just like the Microsoft Paint. So let's start. First of all, download an app from the App Store. Its name is PaintPad Lite. PaintPad Lite. Now you will see this. Just download this one. I've already downloaded, so let's open it. Create new. Now you can set the width, height and resolution from here. Okay, just enter full screen. Now the white screen you are watching the white screen which you are watching here is the screen on which you can do paint. You can also increase or decrease the size of this white screen by just zooming it. You can decrease it also. Now if you want to change the color of this white screen, you can change it from here. Color, any color which you want, you can choose from here. So let's do with white only. Now you will see many tools here. Now I will show you how to use these tools. I will only show you the important tools. I will not show you all the tools, but the important one. So let's start with the pencil tool. This is the pencil tool. You can use the pencil to draw anything on this white screen or the paint screen. You can change the color of this pen from here, the stroke section. Suppose I use this color, red, pink, any color you want, you can use it from here. Now you can also change the width of this pen from here. I've decreased it to 4. Now you will see lighter lines. So guys, this is how you can use the pencil in this paint. Now the eraser, to erase these things, you can use the eraser from here. This is a very important tool. You can erase all the things which you want. I have erased all the lines, all the paints I have done from the pen. We can also increase or decrease the width of this rubber from here. Now let's move on to the next tool. This is line. You can draw a straight line by using this. You can change the color from here. If you want blue lines, you can change it from here. This is zigzag line. You can make zigzag lines using this. Next is rectangle. You can see many figures are there in the tools. Suppose rectangle, then a rectangular, circular at the edges. This is circle. You can make circle or any other figure using this. Now if you want to color the figure, you can use this one tool. Suppose I take this. Now you will see that there is color inside this figure. So guys, if you want color inside any figure, you can use this one. You can see many figures are there. Next, which I want to tell you is this one, spray tool. Now by using this tool, you can spray anything on this screen. This is how you can spray. It looks pretty better. I think this feature is not in the Microsoft Paint. I don't know about. I am not sure. But I don't think this feature is there in the Microsoft Paint. So guys, this is the brush, or you can say spray brush. Now next is text tool. By using this tool you can type anything you want. I think you are familiar with this tool. Now next, which is very important tool for you, is this one. This is very important tool for all, because you can import image or you can import anything you want on this screen by using this tool. So guys, this is how you can use the paint in your MacBook. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I make new videos you will get the notifications of them. Thank you.